Like it was going to be a guy with speed and skill, and that's exactly what Ehlers is. And how about this individual effort? And that beautiful
Seth Jarvis! That goes in a museum. 3-0 Carolina. What a move. And goes upstairs. Stops in the circle with a pass over one time, and they score! Ripped home. Beautiful shot. And Aho with the overtime winner. As the Canes come from behind and knock off the Hawks. Aho, especially go.